Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Greek Learning. Today I will show you the magic of text function, the easiest way to give your data a pro-level makeover. The text function allows you to take any number, date or time in Excel and display it in the format you want. Okay, let's dive right in. The formula looks like this. Let's break it down. Here value is the number, date or time you want to format. Format text is how you want it to look like. Let's start with formatting dates. Imagine you have a list of dates in column A, but you want to display them in a different format, like 5th December 2024. Instead of manually reformatting, Excel text function does the job effortlessly. Select the B2 cell and type this formula. Here's how it works. Text. This tells Excel you are about to format text, A2. This is the cell where your original date is stored. Day, month, year. This part is magic. It defines how the date should look. Double D displays the date as a 2-digit number. Triple M converts the month into its 3-letter abbreviation. And this part shows the full year. When you press enter, Excel transforms the date into this neat and custom style without changing the original data in A2. It's perfect for creating consistent date formats in reports or records. Now let's talk about numbers. Suppose you have sales figure in column D and you want to format them as currency. First select the E2 cell and type this formula. Here hash means any digit, adds a comma for thousands. 0.00 ensures 2 decimal places. Finally press enter, boom, your number is now neatly displayed as currency. You can even use custom symbols based on your currency. One of my favorite tricks is combining text and numbers. For example, if you want to create a message, the text function makes it super easy. Select a cell and type equal sign. Now type custom text inside the quotation marks that you want to add to numbers. To join the function, add an ampersand. Type text. Select the cell, add a comma. Type your preferred number format. Now press enter. Instead of just the number, you get a full list human-readable message. Let's not forget about time. If you want to format time, the text function you covered, select a cell and enter the formula. That converts the 24-hour format into a user-friendly 12-hour format with AMPM. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to remember. The text function always returns a text value, even if it looks like a number. If you need the original number for calculations, keep the unformatted value in another cell. I hope this video gave you a clear understanding of the text function in Excel. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Easy Greek Learning for more easy to follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.